Now that you have all your bells and whistles and you're ready to start your business, it's time to take action. So taking actions means selling, baby. Yes, so clean. What you're gonna do is, I used to be talking about my cleaning business. If I'm in the bank and I'm in the line, I will be handing out business cards. If anyone asks me, hi, how are you doing? I would say, hey, I'm doing good, I'm Amy, and I own a cleaning business. Here's my business card. So what I want you to do is now focus on cleaning. Try to reach out to your community, to your neighbors. Try to keep it less cost on marketing online, and try to actually let your community and let your neighbors and friends and family know that now you have a cleaning business. I think they would prefer to give you the money rather than hiring someone else. And don't feel bad actually asking for money in return of your cleaning services, because you will, at the beginning, you will have to have your friends and family use your services and leave you good reviews, at least to build your name out there. So reach out to your community, to your schools, local schools, to your church, to your whatever is like your community, like stores and like restaurants, and like use a local Facebook group, as I said, to promote yourself and promote your services. So taking action is actually a massive thing when it comes to making money in the cleaning business. This is where the reality is gonna come to hit you and see if this is really good business for you or not. You have to put yourself out there. Make sure you add your cleaning business Facebook page to your profile. I have noticed that a lot of people who own cleaning businesses, they don't even mention it. Go live. Post a lot on your Facebook, on your social media about your cleaning business, and don't worry what people are gonna think about you. They're not gonna think that you're annoying, don't worry. And even if they think, it's okay, because you're not doing it to please them, you're doing it to be visible. People tend to forget a lot, and then you want to be consistently reminding them that, hey, I have a cleaning business, just in case. And then they will be watching you, and in the back of their head, they think they will call you one day, and they will. I had friends with me on Facebook for years and years, and they would be the last people I would think they will text me or inbox me, hey, I seen that you have a cleaning business, can you send me a team because I'm moving out. So please share on your social media and brag about your cleaning business, because that's actually not bragging, that's marketing. And you're gonna sell to your immediate circle and your community before you go out there and then make an impact on a larger scale. If anything, I would highly recommend on taking action is make yourself visible. I cannot tell you enough how important it is for you to stay out there and stay connected and visible to potential customers. Anyone you may know, they will need your service at some point. You'll be surprised. So talk about it, clean everything. And in any occasion, if anyone asks you, what's your name, what do you do, or even if they don't ask you what do you do, mention that you have a cleaning business and give your business card, and that's how you're gonna grow your business. We will talk more in the future, in the very near future, about how to have a better system and how to actually strategically get yourself out there and do like marketing and other like methods on how to sell your cleaning services. However, it starts with you. You can hire the most expensive cleaning marketing expert, give them thousands of dollars, and your business is not going to go anywhere. It starts with yourself, by you believing in your business and talking about it and not being tired of doing that. All right, this was module 2. Leave me comments below if you have any questions about taking actions and executing and making that plan that was written in the beginning now in action on the market. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you soon.